We start our mobility warm-up with cat-cow. On all fours, stacking your shoulders over your hands and your hips over your knees. Push your back up towards the ceiling and then stomach down towards the ground. As you push up, pull your belly button up and look towards your stomach. As you push down, think about pulling your shoulders down towards your ribs and your head coming up. Perform 10 reps. Our next exercise is a pelvic tilt. Lying on the ground, we want to tilt our pelvis towards our body and then tilt it away. As we tilt towards our body, try not to lift your butt off the ground. And as you push away, we want to see that there's a hollow under your lower back. So your hips maintain the contact to the ground the whole time. As we're doing this, we want to elongate the neck and the upper spine. So push your shoulders down and push long through the crown of your head. Perform 10 reps. The next exercise is a spinal twist. Put your feet together and bring your arms wide. Knees together and drop your knees to one side. Come up and drop your knees down to the other side. And come up. As we rotate through the spine, try and keep your shoulders placed firmly on the ground. You may find that one side is tighter than the other. That's okay, that means that you have a tight back or glute. Perform 5 on each side. Breathing in as you bring your knees up and out as they go down. Our next exercise is a bridge lift. Our feet are shoulder width apart, heels firmly against the floor. And all we're doing is pushing up. And then as we come down, we want to think about segmenting down and rolling our body back down onto the mat. So roll, 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 roll your way down. And then push up through the heels and hips to the sky. Perform this 10 times. Next, we have back rolls. Sit up, hug your knees, and roll back onto your back and roll back up to the sitting position. You should feel your back roll nicely along the ground and back up. Breathe in as you come up, out as you go down. Perform 10 reps. Fire hydrants are great for opening up your hip joint. On all fours, we want to take one leg up, rotate the knee in a circle and back to the start position. 5 clockwise and then 5 anti-clockwise each side. As we rotate our knee in a circle, we want to try and keep our body as still as we can. So least movement through the body and more movement through the hip joint. If you have tight hip joints, this may be difficult to do, but the more we do it, the looser you'll become. For child's pose, bring your feet and heels together and take your knees as wide as you can. Reach your hands forward on the mat and lean back into child's pose. The wider your knees, the better. Perform 10 reps. With thread the needle, start on all fours, hands directly underneath your shoulders and knees under your hips. Pass one hand underneath you and then reach up to the sky. When you pass your hand underneath you, try and take it along as close to the ground as possible. And when you reach to the sky, you want to get your hand as high as you can. As you rotate upwards, look towards the ceiling. You want to get full rotation through your spine. Perform 5 reps on each side. In downward dog, we want to start on all fours, tuck our toes underneath, and then push up into an inverted V. As we come up, push your heels down to the ground and your glutes to the sky. Also push your chest down towards the ground to open up through the chest cavity and stretch your lats. Perform 10 reps. To perform the forward scoop, on all fours, bring your elbows down to the mat and then scoop yourself along the mat forward and up. As you scoop along, try to keep your chest low to the ground until you push up. As you come up, look up and try to look as far behind you as you can. Perform 10 reps. In camel's pose, on your knees, tuck your toes underneath, hands on your lower back, and lean backwards. As you lean back, look towards the ceiling, and if you can look at a point behind you, that will help you to get further back. In this exercise, you should feel tightness through your quads, through your hip flexors, and potentially through your abdominal region. Perform 10 reps. The last exercise is the lizard pose. On all fours, hands and feet hip width apart. Bring your foot up to your hand, push forward through the hip flexor, and then back to the start position. As you bring your foot forward, breathe out and in as you come back to the start position. Perform 10 reps. So that's 5 on each side. If you cannot get your foot to your hand, don't worry, get it as close as you can.